bananas, you say peppers. And today we have more super realistic miniatures. Not many brands, but the other brand we've been opening a lot here lately called Kenelephant. And I got this set from Amazon Japan, and oh my gosh, I feel like it was just last week we opened some of these. Yes, it was just last week. It was the Miniature Stationery Series 3, I think. Okay, first off, you guys have to let me know if you've ever heard of this brand called Freddy Leck. It seems to be a brand of appliances or laundry goods, because that is what we're dealing with today. And I kind of don't even want to show you guys the box because it's gonna like really give it away. It's not gonna be like as exciting because they kind of show you like everything that you're gonna be getting before you even open it. Like I was saying in the last video, I do believe these Kenelephant miniatures normally come in boxes like this. Last time when we opened the stationery minis, for whatever reason, they were in Gashpon eggs. I don't know why. Bought them from Amazon Japan again this time, and they have come in boxes. And it says there's 6 types, but we have 9 boxes, so we might get some repeats. I don't know, you guys. This one is all over the place because it does say that there's 9 pieces, 6 types. What's going on? So as I have probably very poorly explained, these are, as the box says, miniature laundry goods. I don't know if they are going to be keychains. They kind of don't look like it. Usually the Kenelephant items are keychains. How about if I just open it? Recently, I got another miniature washing machine. This is like a front loader, high efficiency. I saw it on TikTok. You guys probably remember a couple of years ago when there was that super popular trend of everybody trying to wash their beauty blenders in this little like toy washing machine. Well, we have gone way past that, you guys, because this one is like super advanced. Anyway, enough of that. I saw these and I was like, oh my gosh, this would make that tiny laundry experience that much richer if we had all the other laundry accoutrements. So how about if I just stop talking and start unboxing? And here we go. Box number 1. And I'm excited to see like how realistic are these gonna be. Oh wait, oh my gosh. Okay, we got a little, I have scissors this time. We got like a little box and a little basin and a scrub brush. Oh my gosh. Okay. Give me a second. Some assembly required. Last time, if you guys remember, we got some little tape tabs to hold the boxes closed. It was like a whiteout keychain, but it came in like a little clear folded box, but we didn't get the little bits of tape this time. So I'll just show you guys roughly what this is gonna look like. This is for a washing brush. It's a little cardboard box, but it can fold all the way up and open and close, and that is to hold this tiny little scrub brush. Now, when I first pulled this out of the package, I was like supersonic excited because I thought that the brush actually had like moving bristles. Unfortunately, it doesn't. It is just plasticky bristles. It does still look pretty dang believable, but I was kind of hoping I was actually going to be able to like scrub a teeny tiny little t-shirt or something. And lastly, in this set, we have this small little water trough that you could actually fill with water for your miniature little scrub brush. Look at that. Okay. And I don't want to show you guys the chart either because it once again just shows you up close details of everything I'm about to be unboxing. So onward to box number 2. Let's see, what did we get? Oh yeah, okay, so this is why I'm like, what and who is a Freddy Leck? Wait, who do we have here in the States? Who's the Orkin Man or the Maytag Man? The Maytag Man. That's who I'm thinking of. Because we have this guy. And I guess his motto is a happier lifestyle. And it's like this little laundry man in a lab coat, and he's waving at me. Let me put him on his little stand. He also has this little Freddie Leck coffee mug. What are you focusing on back there? Anyway, Freddie Leck and his little coffee mug. And once again, when I get tiny accessories like this, I'm like, you know what? Can it be a coffee mug for a Furby? Too small? Maybe. Anyway, just in case you guys are curious, I guess this is the real life Freddie Leck that is in this pamphlet. Very interesting. I don't know who you are, sir. All right, box number 3. There's a couple of them I'm like super excited for, and we haven't gotten to those yet, but when we do, I'm sure you guys will know. What did we get in box number 3? Oh, right off the bat, it's a duplicate Freddie Leck. I didn't know who you were the first time. I still don't know who you are. So that right there answers my question. There are only 6 types, but if you buy a full case, you are gonna get a box of 9, meaning I guess 3 of them are gonna be repeats, because at least I can count to 6 and 9. All right. Oh, yes! It's one of the ones I was excited for. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the ironing board. Look at that. We have all of the many pieces. And you guys, I have to admit, this is the first time I've ever seen like fold out instruction manual to assemble the little ironing board. So once again, I think I'm gonna pause filming really quick and assemble it and then show you guys what it looks like. I'm kind of curious if the ironing board, nope, okay, I was wondering like how realistic was it gonna be? Like was it gonna have like a fabric covering on it? Which I know kind of sounds silly, but sometimes these miniatures, especially the sets that we've gotten before from Japan, are like super ridiculously realistic. So each set is like a mystery to me of like, how realistic is this set gonna be? I am back super quickly. I really don't feel like the instructions are necessary. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Now I need to find a set of something somewhere that comes with a miniature iron, because I feel like a mini iron could go right there. That is one of the ones I was very excited about. Now that I'm looking at these, I don't know if they will 100% be like proportionate. I think that the laundry machine is a little bit bigger than these items are. They would probably look like more proportionate to the original Beauty Blender washing machine I was telling you guys about. But oh my god, we have the next thing that for whatever reason I was super excited about, and I'm glad to see that it is like a slightly, oh my god, I almost cut right into this. What the heck? This is the laundry basket, and I don't know why I was so excited for this little thing, but I was kind of scared it was going to be like rigid plastic, which for whatever reason seemed slightly less realistic to me, but here we go. It is slightly soft and squishy, and oh my gosh, once again, y'all, look at this. This is how realistic these miniatures get sometimes. I almost just cut into this thing and I would have totally destroyed a piece of this laundry basket, because look at what we got. This is called Laundry Basket Big, and once again it has the Freddie Leck logo on it, but this is a hang tag. A hang tag off your laundry basket. There we go. Oh no, I put it on the wrong side. Let me try and flip it over, but now, oh, there we go. The logo actually still does face forward. So that is so cute. You know what? I will reveal to you guys what is not an option is a teeny tiny little article of clothing. That would have been so cute if they would have given like teeny tiny little blue jeans, a teeny tiny little t-shirt, something that would have, you know, fit on the ironing board or in the laundry basket, but they didn't do it. All right, box number 6. What's next? I wonder what is the other repeat items that we're gonna get. Why am I doing this? I'm dancing, you guys. What is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, this is one of the other ones that I was most excited about, and I am also excited to see like how realistic is this gonna be? How many moving parts are we gonna get? What is this accent I'm doing? It is the 16 kg washer dryer. Interesting. So it's a miniature little, I don't know why it's called washer dryer. I'm about to say something just wild. Is there such a thing somewhere in this world that is a combination washing machine and dryer? I don't even know how that would be possible. So let's find out. Moment of truth. The door does open. Now, some of the little miniature washers and dryers do have like a hand crank on the back so that you can get a little bit of motion. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to show y'all this. Like the drum does move. You can like twist the silver thing all around. Can you guys imagine? I know some of the Kenelephants, or you know what, maybe it's another brand. There is a brand of Japanese miniature, maybe J-Dream. Anyway, there are some of them that have lights, sound, and motion that are this tiny, and I wish that it was somehow this one, but I don't see anywhere else that it opens. There's no button to push. So that is kind of an interesting little detail. I mean, it looks super realistic. It is cool that it spins. I wish I could put a teeny tiny little t-shirt in there. I feel like you could put, probably not, one Barbie sock. That's what you could maybe wash in there, and that's it. What did we get next? Oh, yes, arguably, oddly enough, the thing that I am most excited about, because once again, I thought that this would be good for like other little videos, little TikToks, you know? Oh my gosh. Wait, is it like coming apart? What's going on here? This is meant to be laundry detergent and laundry softener. And I'm trying to see, okay, there's like a bit of plastic encapsulated inside of here. I was wondering if it was gonna be like those magic bottle toys that like a little bit of milk or juice or something floats around in there, but alas. So I believe that this is the laundry detergent bottle, which once again, this looks like the fanciest bottle of laundry detergent I've ever seen. Like, can you imagine? Oh my gosh. And then this is also in there. See, once again, super duper detailed. I guess this is like a cap that is not staying on there. I'm trying to like twist it on and just, I guess it just sets on there very delicately. So that is our laundry detergent. And then pretty much the exact same thing is what the laundry softener looks like. The front label is just like slightly a more baby blue color, but same like design with the bottle and the little clear cap that doesn't want to stay. And then surprisingly enough, this was something else I was like very excited for, even though I feel like it's roughly the same as like a Mini Brands shopping bag. It is a Freddie Lick little bag. It's like a little paper bag. So maybe this is like a store that you can go to that specializes in like washing machines, but maybe it's like a place where you can go get like specialty laundry detergents. I don't know. You know, like I'm thinking like a Williams Sonoma versus like just going to like a Target or something where you can get everything in one place. Okay, so these two last boxes we're gonna open up really quick because we have gotten all 6 types now. So now it's just a matter of what else are we gonna get duplicates of. We got another laundry basket. I'm glad it was like one of the ones I was most excited about. And lastly, you guys, place your bets now. I, for some reason, think it's gonna be another washing machine, which would actually be cool if you could get 2 machines in one set, because then you could stack them side by side and kind of make it look like a washing machine and a dryer. And we did! We got just that. So now we have 2, we can set it up side by side. In conclusion, you guys have to let me know, what did y'all think of these? Did you have a favorite? I saw in some of the stationery, the mini stationery items, a lot of you guys did agree with me saying that you loved it when the miniatures were keychains, and a lot of y'all disagreed with me and said that you loved like the miniatures to just be able to kind of like sit out and decorate, and you prefer that most of the time they're not keychains. So I would love to hear from you guys, like your thoughts on this set. Do you think that they would look better as keychains, or maybe some of these honestly would be like not too big to be a keychain, but like, I don't know, washing machine keychain? Does it exist? I bet it does somewhere. Now this, the laundry basket, could be a keychain. You could just make it a keychain. Just hang a little keychain off one of the handles. As usual, I would love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. I really did like these. However, I feel like opening other Kenelephant things, I feel like some of these were not as detailed as some of the other ones that we've seen. But you guys let me know what y'all think, and if we should get yet more Kenelephant miniatures. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today, and until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon.